In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS records in Cloudflare. We'll walk through the process from the Cloudflare account homepage all the way to saving your new DNS record. If you're connecting a website, verifying a service, or pointing a subdomain somewhere new, this is where you do it. To begin, open Cloudflare and go to your account home. This is the main dashboard where you can access the domains connected to your account. Once you're there, click on Domains. This takes you to the section where all of your managed domains are listed. Next, click on Overview. The Overview area gives you a general look at your domain settings and lets you jump into the specific domain you want to manage. From here, select your domain by clicking on it. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage more than one site in the same account. After the domain opens, click on DNS. This is the section where Cloudflare stores and manages your DNS configuration. Inside the DNS area, click on Records. This is where you'll see any existing records, such as A records, CNAME records, MX records, TXT records, and others. Now click on Add Record. This opens the form where you can create a new DNS entry. In the Type field, click to open the list and select the record type you need. The type you choose depends on your goal. For example, an A record usually points a domain to an IPv4 address, a CNAME points one name to another host name, and a TXT record is often used for verification or email-related settings. Once you've selected the type, enter the details for the record. The exact fields will vary depending on the record type, but in general, you'll be filling in values like the host name or name, the destination or target, and sometimes a TTL setting. Be careful when entering these values, because even a small typo can prevent the record from working correctly. If you're copying values from another service, it's a good idea to paste them exactly as provided. When everything looks correct, click on Add Record to save it. After saving, Cloudflare will add the new record to your DNS list. Keep in mind that some DNS changes can take time to fully propagate, even if they appear right away in Cloudflare. If you don't see the expected result immediately, give it a little time and then test again. And that's how to add DNS records in Cloudflare.